Hey guys, it's been a while. What I have here is a little torque wrench that I needed for head bolts for a lawn tractor head for torquing down the bolts. Anyways, because they're inch pounds instead of foot pounds. Thanks a lot, Briggs and Stratton. Anyway, so I purchased this off of Amazon today for like 40 bucks or whatever, same day shipping. And that's the brand. So I haven't used it yet. I just picked it up from my grandparents while I was picking the kids up. So let's just open it up here. Lovely little conversion chart, I guess. All the breakdowns and all that shit. So you have it. A little information there. Blah blah blah. So looks pretty well built. Pretty heavy. Let's see here. There we got Newton meters, or Newton, whatever the hell they are. We got Newton meter one side, inch pounds on the other. So yeah, feels pretty good. So tomorrow I'll be trying it out, so I'll post another review about it after I got done using it. So we'll see. Feels pretty good. Good grip. Pretty solid. You can put like a little zip tie in there and you can hang it up or whatever. Looks good. Obviously it's probably made in China more than likely, or Mexico or some shit like that. I think China or Taiwan, but whatever. Why spend a lot of money on tools that you're only gonna use maybe 4 times? I don't know. So that's a good deal. 40 bucks, same day shipping, Amazon, whatever. So another tool to add to the collection. Alright, catch you all tomorrow, whatever the hell the next video will be up. Alright, see you, bye.